Artista na po ba?
Magiging artista ka natin.
Oh my gosh!
Paano nga? Takot? Paano yung takot?
Yeah, ano na?
Gular. Pilipinas na takot.
Reyna Filipinas!
Beauty Vault Glass Skin Essentials. Gandang Beauty Vault, gandang glass skin. Daddy Glow Coffee. Feel lighter, glow brighter. Urban Smiles Dental Clinic, where beautiful smiles are made. Eventista, leading worldwide platform optimizing revenue for entertainment, events, and artists. Fitness 8, where your fitness journey begins. Aquila Crystal Palace Tagaytay. Experience romance in the air.
This is Reyna's Up Close.
Watch out for Isabella Ortegran.
I have an unfinished business. Mas pasabog siya this year.
I'm a perfect mixture of sexy and cute.
I'm able and capable. Because I ate. Hindi lang basta actor, sexy actor.
I am that OA friend.
Oh my God! I'm beautiful in my own way. Grand. Beauty, brain, body, business.
Nakakaloka! Kaloka! I didn't come here not prepared.
I love challenges.
I am here.
One of my title is Miss Understood. Marami pa akong kayang ipakita.
I'm ready to prove them wrong.
I'm here to slay.
I am ready for this.
Iba na ang laban ko. So, abangan niyo lang ako.
Ito ang kwento ng Reyna Filipinas. Raw, unfiltered, unmasked. Here's the tea.
Experience mo, Je?
It was,
Nag-podcast.
din naman, hindi na siya nagiging authentic. It was fun.
Mag-socials ka kaya.
Yeah, I will. Pero nag-struggle ako to create content. Pero sinabi mo nga, Mami, di ba? I have to be who I am.
Correct.
I don't need to, to try harder para magustuhan ako ng tao. Yeah.
Oo. Pero before ba, nagsa-struggle ka ba talaga na na parang, ay, kailangan magustuhan ako ng mga tao?
Actually, parang conscious ako sa lahat. Yeah. That's why I don't have socials. I only have Messenger. And yung Instagram ko, before it was public, nakalagay sa note ko, exclusive for my besties. So I do have
Close
14 followers, then 14 following.
Parang may trauma ka ba dun sa socials? Ba't ka sa socials? Or dahil dun sa mga natanggap mong no?
I think more, kasi nag-overthink ako what people will think about me. Something na, feeling ko napaka-trying, parang
Di ka naman trying hard. Ano ka ba?
Ayan, natatakot ako. I'm scared. The first time na lumabas yung reels, yung
Reveal? Yung
Yeah,
reveal?
yung reveal namin, actually nagkaroon ako anxiety attacks.
Ulo.
Oo. To the point na parang, I think mababash ako.
Pero iniisip mo lang yon.
I guess. Mali mo, totoo.
Hindi. May nabasa ba kayong bashing?
Wala pa, wala.
Walang bashing kay Jess?
Love about Reyna Filipinas. I know we're secured and protected. Sinabi yan ni attorney.
Tama.
And I'm grateful na dito ako napunta. I'm in good hands.
Parang ang feeling ko, ang pinakauna mong i-start, i-conquer, yung fear mo na mabash ka. Or dapat hindi mo na siya dapat i-overthink.
And also, even ngayon, parang I need to greet everyone, of course, for respect. But at the same time, I don't know how to approach first.
Okay.
But good thing naman, very nice lahat ng person around me.
Nice pa lang kami ngayon. Hindi mo pa nakikita. Hindi ka sure.
Sana po wag po kayo maging dinosaur, ganun. Wag muna.
Wag muna. Kasi baka maano.
I'm very emotional person, so.
Emotional ka talaga.
Pero, I mean, kung madidisiplina naman kami and whatever challenge comes our way, I think kaya naman.
Yung experience mo pala kagabi, kumusta?
My experience kagabi, actually nag-enjoy ako at first. And then, iba nag-live na. Parang, dun ako, natitense na ako ng konti. Kasi, parang, for me, alam ko na kinakabahan ako kapag sobrang lamig na ng paligid ko. But then again, when the show started, I don't know. I just enjoyed. Do not want to overthink a lot. Pero I think I need a lot of things to improve. Especially the redundancy of my words, my pasarela, the
Overthinking.
yung camera presence, ganun.
Tsaka yung socials mo, ma. Mag-start ka na mag-socials. TikTok
I
tayo.
have social media manager.
Mas okay kasi na mas okay na ikaw yung may taste of you talaga siya. Parang may feel na, eto siya. Kasi feeling ko pag social media manager, no, as a social media manager, kasi parang pag SOCMED manager, parang manufactured, no? Sa tingin,
Yes.
manufactured.
Yes. Yung mga not personalized, it should be your personality every time na nagko-comment ka and every time na you're posting. Okay.
By the way, ako ang pinakauna niyang followers sa TikTok.
Yay! Thank you so much, Mami Tabs.
Follow niyo si
Follow my TikTok. I think kailangan kong gawing, like, name ko talaga yung TikTok, no? So that visible for everybody. Yeah. IG as well. Sorry, it's IINZ because people mispronounce my name. Again, EINZ. Many individual mentioned IINZ, Ace, but it's IINZ.
Eyes.
Yes.
Kaya mo yan, may 2 weeks ka pa.
Yay.
Pa ka.
But again, my mantra in life, to do my best in everything so that in the end, I won't regret it. And I wanted to just enjoy.
Enjoy lang talaga. Kasi pag hindi mo siya ine-enjoy, baka hindi mo hindi mo siya ma-swallow or hindi mo ma-digest yung experience since first national mo to. Malay mo after this, kasi parang feeling ko naman after this, all the girls will have their opportunities na. Diba?
Magiging artista na po ba?
Magiging artista ka natin.
Oh my gosh!
Paano nga? Takot? Paano yung takot?
Ayoko
Gulat.
na. Yeah, ano na.
Gular. Reyna Pilipinas na takot.
Reyna Filipinas! Ayoko
Reyna
na.
Pilipinas na excited.
Reyna Filipinas!
Reyna Filipinas na sarcastic.
Reyna Filipinas?
Reyna Filipinas na natatae.
Reyna Filipinas?
Reyna Filipinas na flirty.
Reyna Filipinas?
Love it.
Parang hindi naman nagbabago yung mga tones, but yeah. I think wala. I love communications.
Reyna Filipinas na kontrabida.
Reyna Filipinas.
You are nothing but a second rate. Alam mo yan?
You're nothing but the second rate. Trying hard. Copycat.
I love it.
Asha.
Thanks, Jess. Ano ba? Jess or Ains?
You can call me Jezzery. I think that one's better. Parang ang boring ng Jess so I'm sticking to Jezzery.
Ngayon, habang nag-usap tayo, comfortable ka na sa camera. Pero before?
Awkward. I'm a socially awkward person, especially on camera. Dayo for
So from now, magano ka na, magsayaw-sayaw ka na sa kaldag-kaldag.
Ngayon pa nga lang, ginagawa ko na yung inner self ko in front of
Sorry, Jess.
Reyna Filipinas.
lalaban from the very